Experiencing strokes nowadays is very common as more than 15 million people suffer a stroke every year worldwide. You may also be worried that this stroke incident may not affect you. Well, the good thing is that you can prevent a stroke, or even if you have a stroke, you can recover naturally and holistically. There is no need to be stressed or anxious as brain stroke is curable, be it ischemic or hemorrhagic. Yes, you heard it right. Stroke is now absolutely curable, and we have helped thousands of stroke patients recover. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. In today's video, I will tell you some tips that can help you reduce the risk of stroke or even other neurological disorders. So let's know what they are. Whether you have a stroke or at a risk, what is important for you is to control your blood pressure. Yes, high blood pressure is the major contributing factor in developing stroke, whether it is ischemic or hemorrhagic. You should aim for a blood pressure below 120 by 80 mmHg. You should try to limit your salt intake as too much sodium can raise blood pressure. You should include potassium-rich foods like banana, orange, sweet potatoes and spinach in your diet. Now, the second tip is very crucial. It's your diet. What you eat will definitely affect your overall health. So, you should start eating balanced and brain-healthy foods. Your diet should be rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, whole grains, fish and olive oil. It should be full of vitamins, especially B vitamins, minerals and most importantly, zinc, magnesium and iron, fats like omega-3s and antioxidants. Limit processed food, red meats and sugary drinks. Now, the most important tip is not only for preventing but also for maintaining overall health. It's to manage stress. Yes, stress is the major cause of the almost every disease. So, what can you do to manage your stress? You can try deep breathing like alternate nostril breathing. It's very powerful against stress. Or you can do meditation or some mindfulness exercise. Do you know that too much alcohol intake can also contribute to the high blood pressure and raise the risk of brain stroke? Yes, it's true. It can also impair blood clotting mechanism and increase the likelihood of both ischemic and hemorrhagic strokes. If you drink so much alcohol, then avoid it. You can try herbal tea and chamomile tea, which can be much healthier for your brain. The fifth tip is to engage in the physical exercise. You must do exercise at least 20 to 30 minutes regularly. You can perform brisk walks, cycling or swimming. This allows for better blood circulation and regulates the nervous system, thereby enhancing brain function. Now, come to the sixth and the last step. It is to manage diabetes. If you have diabetes, then the risk of developing a stroke will be higher. High blood sugar damages blood vessels, increasing stroke risk. Now, what can you do to manage diabetes? You should eat healthy like green veggies, fruits, salads and protein-rich foods. You should sleep enough, maintain regular sleep and go for a walk. Alright, so these are some tips to maintain better brain health. In case you or your loved one is struggling with a stroke and looking for a treatment that will help you recover holistically, then your search ends here. Bharat Homeopathic medicines are natural, safe and highly effective medicines for stroke and paralysis. We prescribe a customized and personalized treatment after a complete patient's case taking. These medicines are highly potentized and act on the root cause of the disease by invigorating the system. So, if you are worried about side effects, then don't worry. They are completely side effects free, and we are here to help you at every stage of the treatment. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more interesting health related videos. Thanks.